Hey, to download drivers for your GeForce RTX 3080, all you have to do is just to open your browser, then open this official www.nvidia.com website. And when you are here, you'll have to just navigate into the drivers. So click on it with the left mouse button and then just simply select your product. So first we have to select the GeForce, then go to the series. So for sure we are looking for the 30 series. If you have laptop, just select 30 series from the notebooks. Then from the product, you will have to pick 3080. If you have TI version, just go for the TI. Then pick the operating system from this one. Pick the download type, and like 90%, you will actually get the game driver, but click on it and just be sure that you have the ready drivers or the studio drivers. It depends on what you are using on the PC. Then click on the English and click on the search. Next, from this one, we'll have to click download because we just found the latest update. So click on the download button, and now on this page, we'll have to click one more time on the download. Now when you open the downloads folder, you can actually find this file, and you can click on it and follow on-screen instructions and simply install the drivers for your graphic card. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.